you guys just saw what just happened in the last video. So this one right here doesn't really need an introduction. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Now this is a fairly new installation kit that Whitestone Dome just came out with, but this Whitestone Dome screen protector is probably the best out there for the Galaxy Note 10. As you can see, I tried to install one of those cheap ones from Amazon. It did not work. It failed. It wouldn't even let me register my fingerprint at all, which was a big bummer because that one was $9. So what we're working with is the Whitestone Dome. We're gonna make sure that this one does actually work, and you can pick the Whitestone Dome on Amazon. Link will be in the description below, or at their website. You can actually pick it up at their own website. Link to that will also be in the description below. Now they have two of them. They have a $50 one where you only get one tempered glass, and they have a $70 one where you get a dual pack. My suggestion is get the dual pack, and you'll probably never need another screen protector for the remainder of the time you have your Galaxy Note 10, if you tend to keep them for about a year or two. Now if you're accident prone, then you know you're probably gonna need more than one or two. But with that being said, if you buy the 2-pack, you do save yourself a little bit of money. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open the Whitestone Dome screen protector. But before we do that, let's see how good this fingerprint sensor is, so we can kind of gauge if the Whitestone Dome kind of affected the fingerprint performance. And as you can see, it is rocking pretty good here. Bam. Now let's go ahead and open this up and get the installation process started. This is the new thing right here. Bam. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. So inside you do have your Whitestone Dome steps right here. So this is a 6-step process, and it says touch sensitivity setting. So it is letting you know that you have to go under display and then activate touch sensitivity, so it will give you a more accurate reading every time you use that fingerprint sensor, because we are putting another glass on top of the screen itself. So make sure you do that so it can perform at its optimal performance there. So without that being said, let's go ahead and look at the instructions. The instructions are here. So I did see a video and it's kind of the same, but it just adds this weight so it can press down on the screen itself, so the adhesive spreads a little bit faster. But inside the package you get your tray. You do get 2 adhesives just in case you mess up. You can go ahead and retry it. You do get your tempered glass here. Bam. That's a beautiful thing. And the bridge for the adhesive. So here is the tray itself. So before you even do that, let's go ahead and place the Note 10 in here. Now this says speaker here, so I'm assuming they're talking about this speaker here. Let's go ahead and place the phone like this. Bam. You have all your accessories for installation here. Now right off the back, so you won't forget, remember to install these here first. So they go on the tray that goes above, as you can see. You go on here. So let's wait because I don't want to get it dusty. So let's go ahead and clean this up real quick. We do have some screen protector wipes right here. Let's go ahead and give it a good wipe down. Now again, I like to use this duster here just to kind of give it a good blow and get any dust off. So before we forget, we want to cover the earpiece here, but I don't even think it has an earpiece. But then we're gonna take our dust removal stickers and we're gonna hit it one more time. Make sure there's no dust. Then we're gonna put like this. Don't forget these little absorbing pads that go here on the side. This is gonna catch all the excessive glue that drips on the side of your device right there. Now I did get a little bit of dust there, I can see it. So let's go ahead and hit this. Make sure you hit it one more time until you see no more lint or dust on your device. And I'm gonna hit it like this. All right. So we have the bridge here. We have this tray here. The adhesive. You have the adhesive here. Let's go ahead and remove this. Put the adhesive there. Now what we're gonna do is twist the blue cap, release the adhesive. Just got a dust and I seen it. So the adhesive is off. Let's go ahead and put this here. Remove the bridge. The tempered glass screen protector goes on next. So you peel the back. Kind of place it like that. Now, this is the weight here. This is the new addition. So this, you kind of insert it here like this, kind of hold it, and it's gonna press down on the glass there. So what you're gonna do is tilt the phone or the tray until the adhesive goes in about the middle, and then pull the tab. The glass is gonna drop and this is gonna press on the glass itself. So let's go ahead and do that now. You're gonna see it roll to the middle, and wait till it's about the middle, and then once it's in the middle, like about there, bam, pull it. Now that's gonna press down on it and it's gonna do its thing. So let us do its thing while the adhesive spreads around. You want to go ahead and start getting your UV light ready. So your UV light comes in this box here, and sometimes you can use a power bank to power this on. So it's basically micro USB with the UV light here. You plug it in, give it some power, and bam, you see that? So mine didn't look like it had a lot of adhesive. So it's trying to struggle over here. All this side over here does not have the adhesive. So I might have to do this again. Oh shit, I did this backwards.
At this moment, he knew. He fucked up.
Now, one thing to notice is the camera's on this side. So that's where I messed up. You need to put the camera cut out down, not up. And that's where I messed up. So then you go ahead and put the weight down here. Set it there. And then let's repeat the process. Let it go to the middle. Right there. Pull it. Bam. You can see it's spreading out evenly. So you guys saw it there live. I completely screwed up, but I was able to recover and use the second adhesive that they provided in order to save this install. And that's what it's all about, is recovering and making sure you install it correctly. So learn from my mistake, people. Make sure that the cutout is down facing the camera. I did the installation backwards with the cutout was up here, and that wasn't the case. So now we just let that spread out again. Let the adhesive adhere to the screen. Let it move around the whole screen there and fill the tempered glass. And we already have the Whitestone Dome curing light ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and clean this a little bit up here. So you guys saw it there live. I messed up and was able to recover and still save the tempered glass screen protector. I just wiped it down, cleaned it back up, and restarted the installation process. And that's why they give you 2 adhesive instead of 1. Okay, so I do have this funky little spot there, and that could be it because I kind of touched it and messed it up. But let's start the curing process here. I know I messed this up, but let's see how it turns out. I'm pretty sure if you were to do this one yourself, you wouldn't mess it up. Now the glue is still spreading, but it's reached the edge, and I do have this funky spot there. I don't know what that is, and it's probably because I smudged the glass from the inside or from the outside when I was repairing or cleaning the thing. I should have probably cleaned the glass a little bit better. So let's do about 15 seconds there. Let's do about 15 seconds there. Actually, that's getting smaller. Let that there is going away. Let that little circle funky thing. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the tray. Let's take a quick look at the phone. There we have it. Bam. Bam. Let's give it a quick wipe down. Now, keep in mind I did mess this up, and I got this weird air gap here, and that's probably because of the oil. As you can see, I touched it probably with my fingerprint there, but you know what? I actually saved this, and look at that. The fingerprint works just fine. Look at that. Bam. So that doesn't really bother me, but if it does bother you, it probably wouldn't happen to you. But this is great testament that you can mess up on your installation and still survive and make sure that you get to install that Whitestone Dome screen protector. And you can see it's a little oil, but it's getting smaller, so it might go fully install right there. But there you have it, guys. I messed up the Whitestone Dome screen protector installation. I retried it, cleaned the glass up, and it actually works. Besides this little smudge part there, because I didn't fully clean the tempered glass screen protector, so make sure you fully clean the tempered glass screen protector and wipe it down and make sure there's no oils, or else you're going to get this rainbow effect right there with the adhesive won't adhere to it. But besides that, everything else is fine. It's working just great. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor works just fine. Bam. Look at that. And we haven't even turned on touch sensitivity, so we do have to go to display and enable touch sensitivity. And look at that. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions in regards to the Whitestone Dome screen protector, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.